So a few months back, I decided to go for Black Blizzard. I thought it was a good idea. Hell no, it wasn't. Picked that level up after, and I beat it pretty quickly after like maybe 3 days. This level was mental torture. Kept dying to bugs. But yeah, it was worth it. This level was fun. 10 out of 10. Roll the completion.
Tung 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 618. I beat Black Blizzard! I beat it! I beat it! I beat Black Blizzard! Yes! I beat it! Let's fucking go! Yes! Oh my lord! Woo! Let's go! Yes! I'm done! Let's go! I'm gonna... Okay, wait. 5,838, bro. 7,692. 13,530 attempts. Woo! It's time to practice EXO.